everyone, welcome back to my page, Hotmessexpress Tutorials. As you can see, I'm starting out with a hashtag fresh face because today's video is going to be the no mirror makeup challenge. Goodbye mirror, goodbye huge mirror. No mirrors today. We'll see how it turns out. I don't know. Let me know how you think it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. We'll see. We should keep a positive attitude, right? Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm going to be using some of my drugstore makeup today because I feel like this might be a little bit of a waste of makeup. I really should have gone down a line so that I knew I hit every spot. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Funny because I feel like I'm doing one layer, so who knows what the coverage is going to be like in the cracks. Do I look like a zebra on my neck? Next, I'm going to use my Ride or Die heart shape tape. Hopefully that will save me a little bit. Maybe I'll just put this all over my face, just in case I messed up any of the foundation. Literally going over everything twice just to make sure. Now what do I do in my makeup? Bronze. Use my Too Faced chocolate souffle. I think I'm a little bit more reckless with this because I'm like, well, I can't see what I look like anyway. Oh, there's a little bit of a reflection on this. Oh, can't look. Also, I decided not to use primer because why am I going to waste that makeup? I don't think it's just going to look that good. So, okay, now I'm going to use Show Me Your Cheeks Blush, which I think is a great name for a blush, and it's in peach pink. I don't honestly know if I've ever actually used this before either. Really pigmented or not pigmented at all. Hope that my sister doesn't tell me. I really like it in the case though. Okay, and now I'm gonna highlight, and I think today I'm gonna go for like a bright look because I really just base this off of the lipstick that I'm gonna use, but we're gonna start with the highlight. I'm gonna use Pink Heart in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow palette or Glow Kit. I don't know with this brush if you're supposed to use circles or go back and forth, so might turn into the highlight challenge. Now what I've literally based this whole look off of is this lipstick, which is Big Bang by Urban Decay, and now I've moved on from lipsticks to liquid lip, so like I don't really use this in my everyday as much. It's really great for special events like New Year's or I don't know, other times that you would want to wear glitter on your lips, I guess. Also, another reason that I like liquid lips is because I kind of have big teeth, so with lipsticks, it always gets on my teeth, and when I use liquid lips, it mattifies and then dries so that it does not get on my teeth. I did forget how good it feels putting on lipstick though. It's so creamy. I'm gonna do the oldest trick in the book to make sure that I don't have lipstick on my teeth for the rest of this video, which is put my finger in my mouth. See? And then it gets it, and then hopefully it got all of it. Gonna put on my eyeshadow now. So I'm gonna be using Juvia's Place for my eyeshadow. If you know, or if you don't, they are very, very, very pigmented. Now I've only used it with my finger and I've never actually used it with a brush, so we'll see how that goes, especially since I can't see what I'm doing. But I'm gonna start with the Saharan palette and use Katsina. Some of that off. Put that in my crease. It's a light brown color. I'm really, really nervous that I'm getting excess makeup like right in here, out here. And I'm using Zoya. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing any of these incorrectly. Now I'm going to use Lulu. Press it against my eye. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my whole lid because I just saw a color that I really super want to use that I forgot about, which is Fula, which is this really glittery pink, which I think will go really nicely with the lips that I'm wearing that may or may not be all over my teeth right now. I'm gonna do a little bit of this. Hopefully it's gone. Is it pretty? Am I pretty in pink? I might have just gone too far in. And now you're going to see none of Lulu. Sorry, Lulu. I think I'm going to use Boro, which is a bright glittery red color. Do I look crazy? Am I a clown yet? Probably was when I started this process. Gonna use the Nubian Tube palette, also by Juvia's Place. Gonna use Zuri. The inner part of my eye. Oh, I feel like that touched a part it wasn't supposed to. Highlight my brows that I haven't done yet. Who's ready for it? Not me. Looking like a superstar, I think. Really, truly. Now, as I said, let's do some brows. Just got my brows done right before filming this video. I tried to wait at least 30 minutes for the redness to go down. Has it gone down? I don't know. But yeah, I literally hadn't gotten them done in like 5 months. We'll see when I post this video. Trying all the new tricks without the mirror. Cool. Like, my brow should end right here. I feel like it ends right here. Am I getting brow gel all over my eye? Probably. So you know the phrase, your eyebrows should look like sisters and not twins, or they usually look like sisters and not twins. Today they probably look like fifth cousins. Feel it in. That felt not right. I don't know why I think putting more on is going to make it better. The one thing that I am bomb at without a mirror, like literally have been doing this since 7th grade, is doing my eyeliner on the bottom of my eye. So at least I know that I can do this, I think. And since I was using this red, I think that I'm gonna use this Urban Decay, what is this color called? Fireball Razor Sharp Longwear Eyeliner. This is the part that I'm fearing the most. But a look is not complete for me without eyeliner, so someone take the wheel. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, here's my eye. I feel like people have done this challenge and like it ended up turning really out really nice. And not here. Maybe I'll just make it look like fire. Gonna put some glitter around it just to mess it up. Mascara! As long as I don't get it on the inside of my nose, I think I can do this one. Felt like it touched my nose. Also getting very anxious about seeing what this looks like. Like super, super anxious. Like I really want to look at my mirror right now. Also, fun fact, we are using my big mirror as a stand right now. My eyelashes didn't stay where they were supposed to be in the box, so I just had to flip them around, and hopefully I put them on the right side. Actually, not really sure. I'm gonna use these little babies. Pinch my eyes. I mean my eyelashes. Now we're gonna put my eyelashes on. I'm gonna put more lipstick on while I wait for this to dry. It's on my eye. This is supposed to be over here. Can I pull it still? No, it's on there pretty good. Do I think I'm gonna do better on this side? I hope so. Nope. Right. I definitely feel like this side turned out better. Okay, so I'm gonna do a checklist. Did my foundation, did my concealer, did my bronzer, did my blush, did my eyeshadow, did my eyeliner, bottom eyeliner, I did my mascara and my eyelashes and my brows and my lipstick. I'm not gonna put setting spray on this because I know that this does not look good. I do not want to keep this on after this video. But now it's time for the big reveal! So who's excited? I am. I'm definitely more excited than nervous. I hope that you believe that. Ah! Okay! Not awful! And only a little bit of lipstick on my teeth. Oh, look at this pink. Ooh, so cute. Thick eyebrows today. Oh, it's up here. LOL. That didn't turn out as awful as I thought it was going to be. Yes! Legit. That ends this video today. So if you want to see this look like legitimately with me like blending things, actually trying, let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, you can like, subscribe, share. You can follow me on other types of social media, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram too because I post looks there sometimes. Hotmessexpress tip of the day is to drink water. Hydrate yourself. Here, we're gonna do it right now. Ready? Be right back. I gotta go get my water bottle. I have my water bottle. This is actually my sister's water bottle, but she never claimed it. slash took it with her. It's Batman. Okay, anyway, so I like to play this game with other drinks. It's called the 10-second game. So what you do is you drink for 10 seconds. I'll be counting in my head. I hope that you have your water bottle with you as well. Okay, are you ready? Yum, delicious, refreshing. Also, super great for your skin. Wow. Have you ever drank from a water bottle that you've washed, but it still has the taste of whatever you last drank? Also, if you would like me to do any other challenges or makeup looks or tell you that you're beautiful or handsome, then let me know in the comments below as well. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.